Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're zeroing in on one tiny piece of hardware.
But one that does some pretty heavy lifting.
It really does. We're talking about the Blustream DA11ABL-WP-US-V2.
Which is a bit of a mouthful.
It is, yeah. But our whole mission today is to see how this one little device can take audio from, say, your phone.
And slam it straight into a professional, enterprise-grade digital network.
Right. It's basically the ultimate BYOD, or bring your own device interface.
Exactly. It's that critical bridge between the consumer wireless world and the professional world of Dante.
So it's really a two-way street then. It's not just getting audio onto the network.
No, not at all. It's converting audio onto the network and then network audio back off it.
Okay, so let's unpack the actual connections. How does that work?
Well, on the input side, you get two channels. You can either use a classic 3.5mm stereo jack.
For, a standard laptop or something.
Right. Or you can stream to it via Bluetooth. Both of those paths get converted right into Dante digital audio.
And going the other direction.
It takes two channels of digital audio coming off the Dante network and brings them back out to analog through two RCA outputs.
So it's the perfect translator for when a phone needs to talk to the boardroom sound system.
That's a great way to put it.
What's fascinating to me is how clean the installation is. This isn't some rack unit.
No, it's plug and play. It's a wall plate.
So how does it manage connectivity and power without a whole mess of cables?
That's the elegant part. It all comes down to one single RJ45 connection.
Ah, so power over Ethernet, PoE.
Exactly. That one network cable carries both the Dante data and the power it needs to run.
Yep.
It uses the Class 0 IEE 802.3A standard. But, if your network switch doesn't support PoE, they did include an option for a 12V DC adapter.
That single cable install is huge.
Yeah.
But when you're blending systems like this, network compliance is everything. What makes it truly interoperable?
That would be its support for AES-67.
The Universal Audio Network language, right?
You got it. While Dante is amazing, it's proprietary. Supporting AES-67 means this little box can talk seamlessly with other systems, like Ravenna or Livewire. It guarantees it will play nice in almost any high-end audio setup.
Okay, so that brings us to the quality question. For someone focused on fidelity, what are the limits here?
Well, on the Dante side, it's completely professional. We're talking sample rates of 44.1, 48, all the way up to 96 kHz.
And the bit depth.
16, 24, and even 32-bit resolution. It can handle basically any gig you throw at it.
But the real question is the consumer side. If I connect my phone, does the quality just, tank before it even hits the network?
That's where things get interesting. Because it's Bluetooth V5.0, it supports the high-quality codecs.
You mean like aptX?
Specifically aptX-HD, and that's the one that really cracked the pro audio barrier. It supports 48 kHz at 24-bit.
So you're feeding a near studio quality stream directly into your pro system.
Wall plate, yeah.
Yeah.
That line between consumer and pro is getting very, very blurry right here.
So with all this high-fidelity audio coming in, how do you actually control it? I'm thinking about timing and latency.
It's all configurable. For timing, you can adjust the Dante device latency right down to an incredibly fast 2 milliseconds.
Wow!
Yeah, with options up to 10 meets. You just set it in the Dante controller software.
And the gain control is equally impressive. I saw it has a massive range of adjustment.
It does, from plus 24 dBu all the way down to Nekasu 8 dBV.
So why such a wide range?
It's all about flexibility. You might have a very weak signal from a consumer phone, right? Something around Nekasu 10 dBV.
And you need to boost it.
You need to boost it. Or you could have a blazing hot professional line-level feed from a console at plus 24 dBu, and you need to tame it so it doesn't clip the input.
And all that is adjustable remotely.
Yeah, through a built-in web GUI or an API.
And finally, it all just fits into a standard US single gang box with a clean magnetic faceplate. It just disappears.
It hides in plain sight doing all that translation work.
So wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you, the listener? To me, this just seems like the definitive high-end solution for that whole BYOD headache.
I think so. It doesn't just connect devices. It truly integrated them. It maintains that high fidelity and that fine-grained control across standardized protocols.
Right.
And that, I think, brings up a much bigger question. When you can leverage codecs like aptX to HD, maintain ultra-low latency down to 2 meters, and power the whole thing with one PoE cable, it really makes you ask, how much closer are we to completely eliminating the idea of separate consumer and professional audio ecosystems? When the dividing line is this easy to cross, is it even there anymore?